E como mai! Welcome to Greens at Waikele. Waikele is a highly sought-after neighborhood with a population of approximately 7,446. The community offers residents an urban feel with many parks, walking, and bike paths. Waikele is known for the largest outlet mall on Oahu. Many families and young professionals are drawn to the area due to its convenient location to Honolulu and its close proximity to public transportation and military installations. This townhouse offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and is a corner-end unit with wonderful golf course views. The unit is situated in a desirable location in the building. There are no neighbors behind the unit, making it very private. Enjoy family barbecues in the large, spacious, enclosed yard. Property has approximately 1,387 square feet of interior living space. The large 2-car enclosed garage can accommodate 2 full-size vehicles. This is a short sale that is listed $20,000 below market rate. All offers are subject to lender approval and some expenses will not be covered. Buyer to do their own due diligence. Homeowner is delinquent on their association and maintenance fees. When submitting an offer, include the short sale and distressed property addendums. Upgrades include plantation shutters, white kitchen cabinets, and vinyl flooring. Property needs some cosmetic repairs and a deep cleaning and is being sold in as-is condition. Maintenance fees include common area maintenance, sewer, water, and garbage. Mahalo!